When Peter Vogel was just 11 years old, his father took him out into the backyard to witness the first satellite, Echo 1, cross the night sky. It was a formative moment, one that ignited a lifelong passion for nature and science.
From childhood, I've always had a passion for science, for figuring out how things operate, how do they work, and it's that passion for science that I try to bring to my students.
While not an engineer himself, Peter has inspired many of his former physics students at Notre Dame Secondary in East Vancouver to pursue careers in engineering. In his first year teaching at Notre Dame, Peter founded the Physics Balsa Bridge Building Contest. Now in its 31st year, about 60 teams participate annually, and the contest website registers up to 1,000 visits per day.
The student may build any structure he or she chooses, the objective being to build the bridge that can support the most weight.
The current record is an astonishing 219.5 kilograms.
Kids in the schools sign on to take Physics 11, not because they like physics, but because they want to build a bridge.
To help ensure the ongoing success of his students, Peter has built a few bridges of his own. He's forged enduring partnerships between the education community and professional organizations.
I'm so fortunate that companies have seen merit in our contest and have sponsored it financially, but both to improve the contest and the way it's run, but to enable us to award scholarships to students, to open their minds to possibilities.
I gave Peter the name of Pontifex many, many years ago. Pontifex means in Latin, bridge builder.
I hope I inspire students with my own passion and enthusiasm for physics, for man's achievements.
For his dedication and outstanding volunteer efforts in promoting the profession of engineering to youth in the province, APEGBC is proud to present an award of special recognition to Peter Vogel.